The NEC Sharp NP-PE456USL is a short-throw LCD projector that brings professional-grade performance to classrooms, offices, and small meeting spaces. It's designed to be bright, reliable, and flexible, making it one of the most practical projectors for anyone who needs a high-quality display without complicated installation or long-distance setups. One of the standout features is its short-throw capability. This allows the projector to produce a large, clear image from just a few feet away from the screen. That's incredibly useful for smaller rooms where a traditional projector would require more space, cables, and careful placement to avoid shadows or obstructions. You can place it near the wall or screen and still get a wide, immersive display. Brightness is another strong point. At 4,500 ANSI lumens, this projector handles well-lit environments effortlessly. Whether it's a classroom filled with natural light, an office with overhead lighting, or a conference room during presentations, the NP-PE456USL maintains a sharp and vivid picture. Slides, charts, documents, and videos all remain visible without needing to dim the lights, which is crucial in professional settings. The projector's WUXGA resolution of 1920 by 1216:10 aspect ratio offer a slightly taller image than standard widescreen projectors. This extra vertical space makes it perfect for presentations, spreadsheets, and detailed documents. Text appears sharp, images are clear, and you get more usable space on the screen without distortion or cropping. Installation is straightforward and professional. This model is ceiling-mountable, which allows for a clean, unobtrusive setup. Lens shift, keystone correction, and image alignment options make it easy to calibrate the picture for perfect projection. Once installed, it stays out of the way, leaving your space neat and organized while providing a consistently aligned image. Image quality is reliable thanks to LCD technology. Colors are accurate and uniform across the screen, with no noticeable dimming or color shifts. While it's not designed for cinematic home theater use, the clarity and precision are more than enough for professional presentations, classroom lessons, and even casual video playback. Connectivity options are practical and versatile. HDMI and VGA inputs ensure compatibility with most laptops, desktops, and other devices. LAN connectivity adds management capabilities for networked setups, allowing IT teams or facility managers to monitor and control multiple projectors remotely. This is especially useful in schools, corporate offices, or large meeting rooms. Fan noise is reasonable for a projector of this size and brightness. It's audible but not intrusive, so it doesn't interfere with presentations or lessons. Maintenance is designed to be simple as well. The lamp is long-lasting, filters are easy to access, and routine upkeep won't require technical expertise. Overall, the NEC Sharp NP-PE456USL is a dependable, high-performance projector that balances brightness, image quality, and ease of installation. It's ideal for classrooms, offices, and professional environments where space efficiency and consistent performance are critical. Its short-throw design, clear LCD visuals, and practical connectivity make it a versatile solution for a variety of projection needs. If you want to get your hands on the NEC Sharp NP-PE456USL short-throw LCD projector, make sure to check the link in the description below. It's a practical, professional choice for anyone looking for a reliable projection solution.